The Realme GT 8 Pro has now surfaced again in Weibo with what looks like a full look at its design. The GT 8 Pro is seen with a circular housing on the back. Realme's upcoming GT 8 Pro will feature user-swappable camera island designs, so if you don't like it square, you can have it round. The device packs a 50MP main camera, a 50MP ultrawide, and a 200MP periscope telephoto lens on the rear. Realme GT 8 and Realme GT 8 Pro are confirmed to launch in China in October, with the newly launched Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chipset. It is likely to ship with the Realme UI 7-based Android 16. It features a BOE-supplied 6.78-inch flat AMOLED display with slim bezels on all sides, 2K resolution, and an ultrasonic in-screen fingerprint sensor. Keeping it powered is reportedly a massive 8,000 mAh battery, with 120W fast charging. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.